Today we're viewing stock number 186808 on a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500, and our exterior color is red. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, OnStar with electrochromatic mirror, sunroof controls, garage door opener, CD, AM, FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, tracking control, rear cargo line controls, parking assist controls, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have chrome alloy rims, mud flaps, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, sliding rear window, and you could fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 186808 on a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 all-terrain, and our exterior color is red.